Ciao guys, welcome back to this new video. So today I wanted to show you how I got this hair look, not using any blow dryer or hair iron. We won't use any heat so that it will not damage your hair. First product that I've used is a chalk, and I've made it into powder using a pencil sharpener, a very thick one, and I put it inside this box, so you're going to see this and a powder during the video. The second product that we're going to use is a black label craft clay. This is a very strong product. It's got a lot of hold to it, but at the same time it's not going to be a very heavy product, because with this hairstyle especially we want something light, something that we can still touch our hair during the day. We can fix it, move it around, mess it around, and if you have a very heavy product, also the waves won't hold, but they will go back to straight, especially if you have straight hair just like I do. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this hairstyle, then please keep on watching. I washed my hair yesterday night, and as you can see, my hair naturally is pretty straight. I didn't blow dry it. This is the hair length, because a lot of you always ask me how long is your hair, so this is my hair length, guys. And so let's just try and see if I can get my hair wavy only using chalk. Okay, it's like snowing. Basically what I'm doing right now is just messing my hair. Okay, so I think we got a lot of texture and volume. Right now I'm using the Black Label Male Life Grooming Essentials Strength 5, and it's a craft clay. It's a very hard to use product. As you can see, I didn't use that much, and I got sent this product quite a lot of months ago. It's very thick and strong and everything, but I think it's perfect for this look because we want a lot of hold and a very matte finish. Just warming up the product just like so, and then I'm going to put it on my hair. I'm looking that way because I have a mirror there, otherwise I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I've just finished styling the hair. We're going to leave it like this for a couple of minutes and then go back and define the waves. I've waited for about 10 minutes for the hair to set. As you can see, it looks exactly the same. So next step is to give definition to the waves, because a lot of you have been asking me, you know, my hair doesn't look like yours, it's not as defined, you do not see the waves, it's very messy, and I don't like the look. It looks like I've just woken up from the bed and I haven't really brushed my hair. So all these problems today, guys, I'm going to show you how to actually fix that situation. I really like this, you know, very messiness around here, this part. From the front part, instead, we want to give a lot more definition. So curl them and then leave them. Once again, we take some pieces out, we curl them, and we leave them. You want to make sure they look good, so curl them, and then leave them. Take another piece, we can curl them and leave them, so that they look more separate and defined as hair. Once again, we're gonna wait some minutes and then go back. I mean, I usually do not do all the steps, but since a lot of you told me and wrote me about, you know, my hair looks too messy and stuff. So once we are done with that, we're just going to mess the hair around to give it a lot of volume. I think with this look, volume is key. You don't want to look crazy though. Okay, so this is how it looks. So this is it for today, guys. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, that way you can see and watch other videos that I've made about hair and about fashion.